actuator is like completely retracted. And then if you go into the files, right, it's not collecting any data. So this is just like the data it already collected. So to start collecting data, we basically send a remote command to the computer. So that goes through the Raspberry Pi, and then that gets sent to the Arduino, and then the Arduino sends it to here, which sends it to the linear actuator. And then that sends a command back to tell the Arduino to start collecting moisture and GPS data. And then that goes back to the Raspberry Pi, and then all of that comes back to this file, and then the data basically shows up here. And it only starts collecting data whenever we like put the actuator down. So that's like simulating pushing the sensor into the soil and then pushing it back out. So to activate the actuator, you type in echo and then quotation marks E actuator command .txt. So enter. Now the actuator extends, and then if you go back to the file, it's saying this file has been externally modified. So that means that the Raspberry Pi has started collecting GPS data and soil moisture data. The soil moisture data goes back to the Arduino, and that comes back to the Raspberry Pi. So if I click reload, then we see this timestamp, right? 11:27, and then shows up to 11:29, and we have new data. And it's gonna keep adding data over and over again.